Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your OpenAI API key, a WhatsApp-capable phone number, and a messaging platform like Twilio or WhatsApp Business API. Once done, create a secure environment variable for the API key and test a simple curl request to confirm OpenAI responds. Make sure to register your WhatsApp sender and complete any provider verification. This unlocks message sending. Then choose whether you'll host a webhook or use a serverless function to receive incoming WhatsApp messages and forward them to Chatgpt. Now you implement the middle layer. Code a webhook that accepts WhatsApp incoming messages, parses sender ID and text, and normalizes the payload. Once parsed, call the OpenAI Chat Completion API with a clear system prompt and the conversation history. This maintains context. After receiving the model reply, sanitize and chunk content to meet WhatsApp size limits and attach media links if needed. Make sure to log request ID and timestamps. These help trace failures and preserve conversation state during retries. To finish, deploy your webhook with a valid HTTPS certificate and point your WhatsApp provider callback to it. Then run end-to-end tests sending messages from a real phone. Once done, implement retry logic, backoff for rate limits, and map user sessions to maintain continuity. Monitor logs and add graceful error messages back to the user. If something breaks, check provider delivery receipts first. Often misconfigured callbacks or expired API keys cause failures, so verify credentials and webhook accessibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.